King. You got that honeycomb, match that V5. How you like it? Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks good. It does look good. It look way different, bro. Yeah, they do have an every color.
Okay. I like that.
Life is Thurm. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, you crazy for this
video, man. Sorry I did not get a chance to upload on Friday. Had a lot going on, guys. But I did want to show you guys, we're headed to a car show right now. See, we got Brandon right there, Marty, Raven, Hakeem, Christy, and Michael, you know what I'm saying, lined up real good. But yeah, guys, so we're about to head over to this car show, man, see what's going on, see if we can get any awards won, guys. And today they're doing grouped awards, so they're not just doing all the awards just for any car group. So they're doing them all in different groups. You got the new schools, so like 2015 is up, or 2010 and up, and I think we got old schools, classic cars, stuff like that. So guys, we're going to be very competitive today in the competition, and can't wait to bring you guys this footage and win some awards and show you guys these other cars. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Peace. This dude out here has something to say to the camera, y'all. So
Hi guys.
Up. He's
Shaking Me 392 on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
Subscribe, follow, do all that shit for my boy, man. Be coming out with that content, them bangers, man, just like me. So yeah, we about to head over to this car meet, man, and I'm actually gone this time. Catch y'all when I get there. Peace. This is individual cut. That's why you can feel the ridges right here. It's not just like one long piece, one long piece, one long piece. It's all individually cut. So you have to, the individual pieces stick. So they said it was hard to put on. What, this?
You can't lift that up.
No, you can't.
If we pull that off, it's going to pull the pin through on the leg.
Well, I could probably, so I was telling Keith, the longer it stays on there, the harder it's going to be to lift it, but...
What were you trying to lift it for?
It's a new piece. It doesn't fit. Like, look, this piece is smaller than this piece. I know.
Yeah, that's very small, though. That's super small, like, and it really just look, but it looks like it's from like the vinyl not being cut at the right measurement, though. Because it looked like you got it in the middle. Because I did my first taillight tint, which was terrible, but yeah, it doesn't look like you got it. It doesn't look like it's cut right.
Brandon, you just lost followers on Instagram.
Brandon,
Hey,
your taillight tint isn't matching, bro. Can't do it.
Hey, you see this right here?
Hey, bro, where your Brembo stickers, bro? I didn't mean to ask you that. It's starting to bother me. It's starting to bother me.
Last night when I was watching it.
Like, it's starting to bother me at this point.
Because
It's just such an easy fix.
I want custom. What is the caliper green? No, I want the Brembo
Either with the Brembo stickers in. You can order them. I think you can order them from Brembo.
In different colors?
Think so. Or, I mean, yeah, you can order those, bro.
Are you getting another sticker for... Are you getting another sticker?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a Hellcat badge on it.
to a
I went to a
four-cylinder.
I went to a V8. I went from a V8 Charger. That's the RT, buddy.
You went for hey.
Hey, bro, there's some haters, y'all. They hating right now, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Lined up good. All right, I will. Yeah, guys, they got to go ahead and pull out, man. And like I said, catch y'all when I get there. Man, so we made it over here to the meet today, man. And as you can see, we got Brandon right here cleaning up. So yeah, guys, so you know, we're big on the catch cans, man. Catch can. This is new for him. He got the yellow one. I think it pops good, and it goes with a dipstick too. So, and it goes with the washer fluid. So the yellow looks good. Michael got the octane red catch can. Kind of matches this one, but it looks good. Guys, let me know, what does this look like to you? Does this look orange or red? I swear up and down that this is orange, but he always says it's red. But I don't know, I just see orange more than red, guys. So let me know down in the comment section what you think. Huh?
It's an orange red.
It definitely is. Brake dust on there, guys. But then you see the party clean and the brake dust. So definitely got to keep them Brembos clean, y'all. We're here getting it together.
Remember last yeah, they was yeah.
Raven all got it cleaned up.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, no, I was trying to get out your way.
This dude right here.
What?
Tell him what's up.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, you too. Tell him what's up. He camera shy, y'all. He camera shy. But he said, what's up? The camera already over here. But yeah, we got my guy Thirsty B right here, Akeem. You confident about today, man?
A little bit, but we'll see. Definitely gonna be a difficult one, but
well,
if it ain't difficult, then
they doing the classes though, so it should be all right.
Yeah.
But I love this, guys. I love this right here. Yeah, that look good. I like that. Then we got Christy right here. The Durango. Got the pieces on there. Looking real good. Like I said, guys, just about everybody has a catch can. So, looking real good. We got another Mopar here. Like a Hemi. RT. Got Pure Evil right there. Got the caliper covers with the Demon wheels. Looks good. Nice engine bay. Looks good. Looks good. Look good. You see the lights? I saw it. The death one. SRT or XXT6. Dang, guys, I thought that said SRT8, but it's XXT6. It's interesting. Looks good. It's real good. I didn't show you the hood on this one. So we got up there. So that looks good. Got her right there. Camera shy. We got a nice Scat Pack shaker. 392 Hemi here. I like how it has the hood pins on there. We got the Scat Pack B over there. Looks good, guys. Nice old school here. Chevrolet here. Have to give you guys some view from the other side also. With the long bed on this one. Nice Mustang. Camaro here. You got a Hot Wheels right there. Pretty sweet. RS Camaro. Looks good. You get the big truck right here. Thing looks good, y'all. Thing sits up pretty high. It's a Dodge too. 1941 Dodge WC40. weapons carrier. That's crazy, man. It looks in great shape, good condition. Nice Mustang here, guys. Old school. Got a GT here. Look, she got the extra Mustang on the bottom. Looks good. Nice. See, they almost come with a wide body kit on these guys. You see how the fenders flare? So it's pretty that's why I like these. I want to get a convertible when I get older. I really do, guys. Just an old school convertible they can ride around in, you know what I mean? Get an old school Porsche. As the headlights, they go up. I call them the bug eye headlights because they go up. They go up like that. Chevy, old school. It's an old school right here for sure. Old Ford. These are like the first cars ever made. It's a nice one here. 1962 Ford Galaxy 500 Club Sedan. 1962, guys. Got the Tiger up there looking good. Not bad, man. It definitely looks good. I like this color on here. This cream kind of color. I like the wheels on there, guys. Old school, and this looks really good. Definitely looks really good. Nice SS. One has the decal on the side. SS comes with the V8. Looks good. Ooh, that look good. Nice Camaro here. Is this that one that was, yeah. That thing sounds mean, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
What you got done to it?
It's just full bolt-ons, so.
Full bolt-ons?
Exhaust, headers.
Okay. Yeah, that thing sounds really good.
I appreciate it.
Definitely sounds really good. Nice. It's old school here. Should have got a video when he was pulling in. That thing sounded real good, y'all. 2007 Z51. Good. How you doing?
All right.
Good. Nice. This
Thank
is
you.
Z51.
Yes.
Nice. It's good.
I mean,
I love the Z51s.
A lot of that is plastic that's stock. There was a place in Virginia, Creative Engine Covers.
Okay.
They're the only place that in the area that I care. Good luck.
Thank you. You too. Oh, nice. You got the whole thing right there. It's dope. LS2 motor. He said all these pieces have been hydro dipped, so definitely looks good. Nice yellow interior. That's dope right there too. Hydro dipped interior.